Good evening. Welcome to Delight Classes and Innovation of Kris Kringle Academy. Dear students, I'm happy to announce that schools are reopening. You and I both will be busy onwards. So there will be a short duration in the release of videos. So now videos will be released on Wednesday and Saturday of every week. In continuation with adverbs, today we are going to study adverbs which have two forms. Adverbs which have two forms and meaning of each form is different. Let's start. Our first word is hard and hardly. Adverb hard and hardly. Hard means diligently, परिश्रम पूर्वक, with full effort. Hard means, and hardly means scarcely, very rare. Hard means diligently and hardly means scarcely. Example, we must work hard. We must work hard. हमको कठिन परिश्रम करना चाहिए. Hard work always rewards. कठिन परिश्रम करते हैं आप तो हमेशा उसका आपको रिवॉर्ड मिलता है. Example of hardly, I could hardly believe this. I could hardly believe this. इस पर विश्वास करना बहुत मुश्किल है. I could hardly believe this. So first adverb which had two forms, hard and hardly. Second is near and nearly. Near is opposite of far and nearly means almost, करीब करीब. किसी काम के completion को, पूरा होने को बताता है कौन? Nearly. Near means opposite of far and nearly means almost. Example, please come near. My house is near the school. Nearly, he is nearly finished. He is nearly defeated. करीब करीब उसको almost खत्म ही समझो. He is nearly defeated. वो करीब करीब हार गया है, ऐसा ही समझिए. Next word is right and rightly. Right means exact and rightly means correct. I found the ring right here. इसी जगह पर ठीक मुझे रिंग मिली. Rightly, he wrote the spelling rightly. मतलब उसने स्पेलिंग एकदम करेक्ट लिखी. He wrote the spelling rightly. Next word is late and lately. Late and lately. Late is opposite to early. Late is opposite to early. And lately means recently. बहुत जल्दी ही, recently. The train arrived late. ये opposite है early का. So train arrived late. Mostly तो ऐसा ही होता है. Train late ही आती है. I was late to school today. It happens rare. I was was late to school today. So late is opposite of early. I have met Madhvi recently. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? I have met Madhvi lately. I have met Madhvi lately. Lately means recently. Next word is pretty and prettily. शायद बहुत ज्यादा यूज में prettily वर्ड नहीं है. So I think many people have not heard. ये वर्ड सुना भी नहीं होगा बहुत ज्यादा लोगों ने. Pretty and prettily. Pretty means यहां पर pretty का मीनिंग क्या है? Fairly. Not. It is pretty is used here as an adverb. तो pretty जो adverb है उसका मीनिंग क्या है? Fairly. Fairly का मीनिंग क्या है? In an acceptable way. In an acceptable way. जिसको हम बहुत readily accept कर लेते हैं. Prettily means elegantly. Prettily means elegantly, and mostly it is used in case of dresses. Example of pretty: I am pretty sure of my success. मैं बहुत ज्यादा sure हूं अपनी success के लिए. I am pretty sure of my success. Madhavi was prettily dressed. Prettily dressed means elegantly dressed. Elegantly का मतलब क्या है? Gracefully dressed. Madhavi was prettily dressed means gracefully dressed. बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ड्रेस अप थी. Next is easy and easily. Easy and easily. Easy means lightly and easily means without any effort. Easy means lightly and easily means without any effort. बिना किसी प्रयास के. Take it easy. यहाँ पर जो easy है उसका मतलब है बहुत हल्के में लेना. उसके लिए परेशान नहीं होना. Take it easy. ये हम कहते हैं किसी भी मैटर को. अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा वरीड है किसी मैटर के लिए तो हम बोलते हैं take it easy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Take it easy वाला मैटर है यहाँ पर. Take it easy मतलब परेशान मत हो किसी चीज के लिए. Easily without any effort. Students are learning English easily. Students are learning English easily means without any effort. Next word clear, clear and clearly. Clear means adverb में. यहाँ clear noun की तरह नहीं यूज हो रहा. यहाँ adverb के रूप में यूज हो रहा है. Clear का मीनिंग यहाँ पर quit और leave. Quit और leave. Clearly means in a clear manner. Clearly means in a clear manner or clear का means quit or leave. Keep clear of the entrance. Entrance खाली करो. Entrance छोड़ दो. Keep clear of the entrance. You must speak clearly. इसका मतलब है in a clear manner. You must speak clearly. It means in a clear manner. So clear means quit or leave, and clearly means in a clear manner. Next word close and closely. Close and closely. Meaning of close as an adverb is near. Near, and closely means carefully. Close means near and closely means carefully. Come close to the board. बोर्ड के पास आइए. Come close to the board. Closely, watch him closely. उसके ऊपर निगाह रखो. Watch him closely. Closely means carefully. उससे सावधानी से रहो. उसके ऊपर निगाह रखो. Watch him closely. And the last one, High and highly. High means nobly, बहुत सभ्य तरीके से, nobly, gently. Highly means greatly. Highly means greatly. Example, always aim high in the life. हमेशा बहुत अच्छा, noble aim रखो लाइफ में. Highly, he was highly obliged, he was highly praised. तो कोई व्यक्ति है जिसका हमने कुछ अच्छा किया तो वो highly obliged हो गया हमसे. He was highly obliged, he was highly praised, उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रशंसा की गई. So the adverbs which we have seen today are hard and hardly, near and nearly, right and rightly, late and lately, pretty and prettily, easy and easily, clear and clearly, close and closely, high and highly. So these were some adverbs having two forms with different meanings. Two forms and two different meanings. So goodbye. See you again on Saturday with a new video. Thank you. Subscribe and share.